you and Celine.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I have an eyeshadow palette. This is by Juvia's Place. This is the Nomad. This is how the palette is looking. So I want to dip into this palette and I want to see how it's going to turn out. I always wanted this palette and I got it during the Black Friday sale, which was 50% off. I think this was about $7. So yeah, I want to do a look. So if you're interested in seeing how it's going to turn out, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, let's jump right into it. All right, y'all. So I have the P. Louise base, which is my fave, my GOAT. This is in the shade Rumor 0.5. And if you see this right here, once again, it is my mirror. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the next shade. Not the next shade, my first shade. So I'm going to go in with this shade. So I'm basically going to put that first shade right here in this eye area. Once I pack it on, you guys will know exactly what I'm talking about. All right, y'all, so I packed in the color. Next, I'm going to go in and I want to blend out the harsh lines. So I'm going to get closer to the camera and I'm just going to blend out the harsh lines. Next, I want to go in with this bright yellow. It does have shimmer and specks in it. And the next scene, I'm just going in and out with the yellow and the green, just blending it so that it can all blend and look well together. All right, next I'm about to go in and cut my crease. Next, I'm about to go ahead and use these two shimmers. I'm going to use this in the inner and then the outer portion of my lid. Poppin. All right, next, oh my goodness. All right, next I'm about to do my face, and that is going to be a speed through.
When I close my eyes, I see your face, a memory that doesn't fade away. I wish I could remove you from my mind. I wish I could remove you from my mind. And now you say, oh, I can't succeed. You're here to stay. I've tried always. I didn't mean to feel away. You're not around anywhere. I tried to be what I feel. And now you say, oh, I can't succeed. of some good times back then. And all those
On this part of the video, all I did was my under eye. I did green and yellow.
You told me what that I saw believe. You said you loved me without even. And now